Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I am going to be sharing with you how I'm going to upcycle this thrift store birdhouse that's seen better days. I started not to buy it, but it was such a great deal. I thought, well, maybe I can do something with this. It's a cute little shape, and so we're going to update it with some moss and some bark strips off of a tree that has fallen around my property, and we're going to see what it turns out to look like. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is paint any areas that will be exposed after you do your makeover on your thrifted birdhouse. And then we're ready to start applying the moss. Here, what I do is I just paint the entire surface with some Elmer's glue, and then I wear protective gloves and pick up small pieces of the moss, dip them into some of the glue, and then press them onto the surface of the birdhouse. You may have some areas where it'll fall away, so you kind of want to shake it real good and then go back in and fill in any areas that look like they're still exposed. So next I'm applying some tree bark as shingles to the roof. What you want to do is just start at the bottom and work your way up, layering the bark like you would shingles on a roof. One thing, this is white oak bark, and it has fallen on naturally from the trees, and you can just go around and pick it up underneath the tree, but you do not want to pull bark from a tree because that could cause damage. But this bark had fallen naturally, and you can shape it and cut it to make it work for your roof of your rustic birdhouse. And doesn't it look beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. It's basically a free one, and it looks like a high-end birdhouse.